The Earth in the solar system. On a clear night, millions of teeny objects called stars can be seen twinkling in the sky. There are billions of stars in the universe. These stars are randomly scattered in the space and are also found in group of forming patterns called constellations. The other heavenly bodies in the space are planets, asteroids and moons, etc. When we see the sky from the surface of the earth, the stars seem to be very close to each other, but it is not so. They are separated by great distance. Stars have their own light and heat, which they give out in large amounts. They are made of gases. Sun is also a star. Planets can easily be differentiated from the stars. We cannot see planets with our naked eyes. There are 9 planets in our solar system. The 9 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Planets move around the Sun in the fixed orbit. Now about the Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is made of the extremely hot gases. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. About Earth. It is the third nearest planet to the Sun and the 5th largest planet of our solar system. It is unique planet because it supports life. It is also called blue planet. Now about Moon. It is the only satellite of the Earth. Its diameter is 1/4 of the Earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. It moves around the Earth in about 27 days. Only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. No life exists on Moon as it has neither water or nor air. Asteroids. They are numerous teeny bodies which move around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The largest asteroid is Ceres. Meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the Sun are called meteoroids. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy was named Akashganga. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe. Constellation. A group of stars that are visible in different patterns are called constellation. Ursa Major or the Big Bear, Saptarshi, the Small Bear, etc. are the same well-known constellation. Pole star. It is known to retain the small position every night in the sky. It is also called the North Star since it helps in knowing the north direction. Okay. Galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of innumerable stars. Most stars have their own families like the solar system. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which we live. Inner planets. The inner planets are the planets that orbit around the Sun between the Sun and the asteroids belts. That is, are close to the Sun. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Geodes. The space of the Earth is called a geode. The geode is spherical except for the flattening Earth two pieces diametrically opposite to each other. Outer planet. The outer planets are the planets that orbit the Sun beyond the asteroid belt. That is, are very far away from the Sun. These are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Revolution. Completion of one round by a heavenly body around the Sun is called revolution. Rotation. Completion of one round by the heavenly body on its own axis in a day is called rotation. Universe. The universe is the largest unity in which we live. It is a collection of galaxies. There is only one universe and everything that exists in this universe itself. Satellites. A celestial body which revolves around a planet in a particular orbit is called satellite. The moon is a satellite of the earth. Full moon night. A night when the moon is visible from the earth as a full sphere is called full moon night, and it occurs once a month. New moonlight. The 15th night after the full moon night, when the moon is not visible at all in the sky, is called the new moon night. Star. A celestial body that is characterized by being very hot and big and made of gases is a star. A star typically has its own heat and light. Celestial body. An object in the universe is said to be a celestial body. Example as Sun, Earth, Moon, Star, etc. Thank you.